Student, in permutation, it's a very important question that how many ways the word playground can be arranged such that if the word start with letter Y. Now see, in the playground there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there is a 10 letters. We can write as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in that particular question, if the word start with letter Y, that means start with letter Y. So in first column we have to write Y. So rest column are, there is a 9 column. So the total number of ways, the number of ways we can say is that this is 1 into how many places are left. There is a 9 places of left, so we can write 9 factorial. So as a result, the answer will be 1 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Clear? Now in the second question, if the word start with the letter Y, and the end with the letter of G, so there is a 10 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is a 10 places. Now see, the first word will be Y and the second is G. Last is G. So it is 1 and here is only 1. So how many places are left? There is a 8 places left because you know the total place is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as simple as that, the total number of ways the word can start with Y and end with letter G. So we can write 1 into factorial 1, 8 into 1, or we can write 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into Y. It's very clear. And 1 into 1. So as a result, the answer will be 8 factorial. Put down the answer. Okay. Now the third one, the word should end with vowel. Now the word vowel, so there is a 10 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in this particular question, see, the word should be end with vowels. So how many vowels are there? So in a playground, you can see in a playground, there is a how many vowels? A, O and U. There is a 3 vowel, and in questions it's given the word should be end with the vowel. So there is a 3 vowel. So we can say the 3 vowel. So you can put 3 vowels over here. 3 vowels over here. As we can write A, O, U, E, A, O and O, E. Sorry. A, O, U, O, A, U and O, U, E, A. Whatever may be. Just to see that how many vowels are there. There is a 3 vowel. There is a 3 vowel. See, there is a 3 vowel at the end of that. So there is a 3 vowels. So how many? So there is a 3 vowels, which it is a 3. Then how many places are left? So the places are left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 9 places are left. So we can write as 9 factorial. So the answer will be very simple. 9 factorial into 3. You can put down the answer. As simple as that. Okay, very clear. Again I tell, the word should be end with the vowel. So there is a 3 vowels in a playground, A, O and U. So A, O, U, there is a 3 vowel. So you can write over here 3. And the rest places are 9. So 9 factorial. So the answer will be 9 factorial into 3. The next one, the word should be start. Next question, the word should start with a vowel and end with consonant. Okay, very interesting. So there is a 10 places, we can say. There is a 10 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is a 10 places. Now, there is a 3 vowel. So in the first, we have to write 3 vowels. In the first letter, we can write 3 vowels and the consonant. Then how many left consonant? Of course, there is a 10 word. In 10 words, 3 vowels. So left, that is 7 are consonant. So we can write here the 7. This 7 as consonant. This is 7 consonant. So how many places are left? So very simple. Okay, 8 places are left. So the answer will be very simple. 3 into 8 factorial into 7. Put down the answer, as simple as that. Now the fifth one, no 2 vowels come together. So it can, we say that no 2 vowels come together means vowel not comes together. Either 2, either 1. So no 2 vowels are come together. It means again not comes together. This is a shortcut method that you can say that there is a 10 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many places are there? Now playground, instead of vowel, how many consonant? There are 7 consonant. So consonant you can write P, L, Y, G, R, N, D. There is a 7 place. Here 7 consonant are there and vowels are not comes together. So you can put the vowel in that places before P. We can say the vowel can put over here, 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 here and here. So how many gap are there? So 1, the gap is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a 8 gap. Okay. So there is a 8 gap and how many vowels are there? There is a 3 vowels. So we can write as very simple, as we earlier said, that 8P3, because there is a 8 place and you have a 3 vowel, into how many consonant are left? There is a 7 consonant into 7 factorial. Put down the answer. Very simple manner that the vowels are not comes together. Okay. And the sixth and the last one, the vowel are occupy only the odd positions. Odd positions means again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So the in 10 position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, what is the odd position here? The odd positions will be this, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is the odd positions. How many odd positions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a 5 odd positions. Okay. So the 5 odd positions and how many vowels are there? How many vowels are there? There is a 3 vowels. Okay. So we can write as there is a 5 places of odd, 5P3. Very simple. Into 7 factorial. Rest at the consonant 7 factorial. the answer you can easily extract. So it's very simple manner and it's a very important sums, and there is a 6 points in that particular questions that you can write, you can do. That if the word start with the letter Y, if the word start with the letter Y but end with the letter G, the word should be end with vowel. The word should be start with the vowel and with the consonant. No two vowels are come together. Vowels are occupied on the odd positions. Now, in question number 12, in how many ways, in question number 12 in our booklet, in how many ways can later the word Monday be arranged? So the letter Monday, so you can say that the Monday 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, there is a 6 letters. So Monday, there is a 6 letter. So total number of ways we can say, it's very simple, total number of ways you can write that factorial 6. So the factorial 6 is become 720. Okay, and the next one, that how many of them it's begin with M? How many words will begin with M? So in earlier I taught you that begin with M, that means how many spaces are there? There is a 6 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and M is occupied here over here. So M is occupied over here. So you can say the M is 1 and rest is how many places? There is a 5 places or 5 factorial we can say. So 5 factorial means 1 into 5 factorial. This is 120. And the last one, the how many of them do not begins with M but end with Y. Do not begins with M. So see, again there is a 6 places. Carefully watch, there is a 6 places. The Y at the end, that is 1, and the M is occupied on these positions, any of this position, either you put over M, either yaha or yaha. So this place will be the 4, because there is a 6 letter set, 6 letters Monday. Y is occupied at the end, M is not occupied over here, so the 4 letter can be occupied over here, and the rest places are 4. So there is a 4 factorial, 4 into 4 factorial into 1. We can write as 4 factorial 4 into 1. So the answer will be 6. Again, I clarify this, that how many of them do not begins with M but end with Y. Again, there is a 6 letter Monday. Again, I tell you, there is a 6 letter. The 6 letter first end with Y. So the last space will occupy Y. So it is 1. There is a 5 letters. M cannot occupy in this place. So how many letters are occupied on the first position? There is 4 letter can occupy in the first positions, and the rest are 1, 2, 3, 4. So as a result, 4 into 4 factorial into 1, as a result 96. Okay, hope student you will understand carefully. And last one, question number 13. In question number 13, it is also very important that out of the letter A, B, C, there is a 3 capital letter and P, Q, R, the small letter, can be formed if the word always begin with the capital letters. So here the first question, the word always begins with the capital letters. So the how many capital letters are there? There is a 6 places you can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a 6 places. A, B, C is the capital letter. So any of 3 you can put over here. So there is a 3 you can put over here, and the rest you can put over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 factorial. So the answer will be 3 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So the answer will be 360. Hope student you will understand. The third one, the word always begin with the capital letter and also with the capital letter. The word always begin with the capital letter and end also with the capital letter. Now it is an interesting thing that begins with capital and ends with capital. Now, how many capital letters are there? 3. So you can put over here 3. So any of these 3, A, B, C, you can put over here. So at end, how many letters you have to put? As how many capital letters you have to put? Only 2. Again I tell you, there is a 3 capital letter A, B, C. There is a 3 capital letter A, B, C. So you can put any of them over here. A, B, C, either A, either B, either C. So rest, there is a left a 2. So 2. And how many spaces are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is stated as 4 factorial. So the answer will be 3 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2. Though the answer will be 144. The answer will be 144. In books, the answer is 140, but actually it's 144. Now again, I explain this particular sum, especially the last one. The word always begin with the capital letter and end also the capital letter. Now there is a 3 capital letter. There is a 3 capital letter. So you can put in the first space A, B, C, any of them. If any one is put over here, the left, there is a 2 capital letter is left. So left will be at the end. So how many spaces are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So as simple as that, I can say that 3 into 4 factorial into 2. So the answer will be 144. Hope student you will understand and do my homework. Thank you so much.